YouTube, what is good? It's your boy. I just finished up that oil change, you know. Hey man, hey, that oil change, man, it got my car feeling like it's brand new, bro. Shit feel like it's brand new. But yo, we just out here, just riding, cruising. No sliding today, no cutting up, you know. Keeping it cordial, keeping it PG. Nothing crazy, nothing too major. Normal old, same old, you know. But yeah, man. Maintenance, man. When you got your car, bro, you gotta take care of your car, bro. If you got maintenance that's gotta be done to it, you gotta get the maintenance done. Like I got this oil change, and I mean, y'all probably heard it in the last video, but like, cause I didn't have the radio on or nothing like that. But my car, it's been making this sound. Yeah, it's been making the sound, and I could pretty much say that since I got this oil change, it hasn't been making that sound. I was probably like 600, 700, maybe even 800 miles like overdue on my oil change. I got the old sticker up there, the new one's up there also. But yeah, it got the oil change. Now we back moving and grooving. Actually, hey, that sound is still there a little bit. I'm hearing it now. Y'all comment down below if y'all can hear it. As far as I know, like that sound is like supposed to be natural or whatever, but have been hearing it quite a bit as of late, but it's a little bit toned down. Not as strong, but I mean, it's still is there a little bit. But yeah, we're going 3 for 3 today. 3 for 3. This is the third video I'm filming. Haters, I don't know what else to tell y'all boys, but just keep showing up. The people that's always here, bro, y'all already know, man. Appreciate y'all. I mean, like the haters, bro, I don't do this for the haters, bro. Like, and I'm gonna really just stop talking about it because they really not even worth it, bro. Like, dudes sending me paragraphs and shit, bro. Like, wow, motherfuckers got shit falling off their trucks and shit. But nah, bro, dudes sending me paragraphs and shit in the comments, bro. It's like, bro, you took the time out of your day to text me a paragraph on a YouTube video, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like last video when I'm talking about it's a free platform. Like I understand the platform is free, bro. But like you ain't gotta text me paragraphs and shit, bro. Like you ain't gotta do all that, bro. Like if you feel like you really gotta like text me paragraphs, bro, I feel bad for like the women in your life, bro. If you even got any women in your life, I don't know. But I could only imagine what you sending them, because the shit you sending me, bro, that shit ridiculous. Not that deep, bro. Either watch the video, enjoy the video, you know. Watch the car. Obviously, you're looking at chargers, RTs, stuff like that. I mean, or whatever. I mean, you clicked on the video, bro, so I don't know, man. I don't know. But yo, hey, these cold starts, they about to be ridiculous, bro. Hey, y'all comment down below if I should go mid muffler delete. I kind of want to, bro, but at the same time, I don't want to, you know, void my factory warranty, or not factory warranty, but like void my extended warranty that I got. It's also, I mean, you can also get a ticket for it. Like I said, I got a perfect driving record, bro. really not trying to put that in jeopardy, but it's like, I don't know. Nah, I'm playing. I seen a dude put up on me like last week. Really, bro, is trying to race, and like I don't, like I told y'all, I really don't be speeding like that. I don't be speeding. I for damn sure don't be racing people. But bro got up on the side of me trying to race and shit. I'm just like, bro, he was in a gray RT. Like if I seen that fool, I know it's him too, cause he had like a certain type of like wide thick stripe like in the middle with a little bit of orange, just smoke gray. Y'all probably seen I'm sure y'all seen an RT like that before. I think they make that like a model, but a lot of people be having that that like not aftermarket, but like I mean just like that custom like whatever, that decal. So fat ass decal, that's what it is. But it's like, not trying to race you, bro. I ain't got time for that. Not trying to get no damn ticket. Like, come on now. Plus we in the same car, bro. You in an RT just like I'm in an RT, except you got a memo for the delete. So your shit screaming a little bit, but I don't know, man. But y'all comment down below. What do y'all want to see? What y'all want to see? What questions y'all got? I might do a Q&A real soon. I haven't done a Q&A. Matter of fact, go ahead and drop some comments down below. I'm gonna probably post a post, try to pull some questions from the Q&A for that. Probably drop a couple shorts, try to pull some questions for the Q&A from that. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below y'all questions. Whenever that Q&A drop, it's gonna be a banger POV. It's gonna be on the GoPro mount, and I'm gonna have my other phone and I'm gonna just be answering y'all questions, bro, cruising. Or I might either get my nephew or my girl to record. I could just be flying down the highway, answering y'all questions, y'all know. But if y'all don't give me no questions, shit, I ain't got nothing to answer. But nah. But yeah, man, I think that's pretty much gonna do it for this video here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm sure y'all did. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new. If you a returning supporter, man, appreciate you, of course. Appreciate y'all keep coming back. We at like 1.16, closing in on 1.17. I mean, it wouldn't be possible without y'all, bro. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. And with that being said, bro, I will catch y'all in the next video. I'm gone.